Okay, what we have here is a 2019 Thor motor coach. We're going to go in and take a look at that. My wife already walked around the outside, braced it so you can see how many slide outs were on this unit. So, come on in. Don't fight it, Let's go on. Okay, when you walk in, of course, to the right away is where the driver and the passenger sit when they're going down the road. You can see there's storage up there. You can see how big the windows are. You got a great view. At nighttime, you got the shade that pulls down. This will come all the way down. Well, it's motorized, so don't pull on it, it says. So all you do is push a button and it comes down. You have a fan here. This, there's usually a bed up here, but it doesn't look like there's a bed up on this one because of the storage. Could be. It could be a push button and the bed comes down too. Yeah. It looks like it says do not pull. This will fold, come down, and that'll be a bed right above there as well. Okay, so you got one bed there. You have the dining room area right over here, which this table folds down and this becomes a double bed too. And then you have your kitchen sink over here. Two separate sinks. Your garbage can here, so you don't have to open the door to throw your garbage. You just move that, throw your garbage in there, and then take it out later. So you have another cover there. Here's your cooktop. It's not propane, it's the high point, where you can touch it and it doesn't get hot. Get the high point microwave oven here. Storage up on top, as you can see. Lots of storage here. You've got your side-by-side refrigerator. It's a Whirlpool refrigerator freezer. Don't have to bend over. This is up high enough so it's like it's nice. Brand new refrigerator. So lots of storage. You can hook up to drinking water. Just one thing to keep in mind though, if you do use this also has to be winterized if you live in a colder climates. Some storage under there. Drawers here for storage. This is where the garbage can is, way in back. You have another seating area here that this will fold out into a bed. And then you've got your entertainment center here with a small fireplace. Storage up there again. Storage up here. Okay, then you walk this way. We have CR, comfort room, with storage and a small sink to wash your hands. And then storage all around and a mirror. Here you have two bunk beds. Well, this is a closet. You hang your shirts here. So, and then this folds up. This will fold up and lock so that if you have longer clothes, this is out of the way. But this also can become a another bed for sleeping if you don't use it as a closet, because you got two mattresses down here, one for the bottom and one for the top. So it's your choice whether you use this for a closet or if you use it for a second bed. Back here then you have the master bedroom. This will fold down. This is a slide out here that goes out. This will slide forward. You'll pull this bed forward and then you'll have a nice king size bed here. You have a TV here in the master bedroom. You have a table you can pull out. This goes up front. Okay, there's a small table stored in here that fits right up by between the two seats, up by the coach area where their driver and the passenger sit. You have a TV here, some more storage for clothes. You can see the closet clothes bar up there. And another one over here with a mirror, so when you're getting ready, so you can hang some clothes up there, fold some clothes, put them down there. You got drawers there, you got drawers across the bottom here for storage as well. And then you have a much larger CR here with vanities and mirrors. Put your bath towels in there. Down here you got a place for extra toilet tissue. You got your CR right there. And then you have a large right here. So this is where you take your shower with a nice skylight in it so you can see what you're doing. So that's the coach versus a fifth wheel. Just a little information from what we've seen and observed when we're traveling with our RVs. Most people that have a coach like this, they have to tow a vehicle, because once you get to an RV park, if you set up and you're going to be there for a while, you'll need that extra vehicle to run into town, to buy groceries, or to do sightseeing or things like that. If you don't have the extra vehicle, you've got to disconnect everything, your water, sewer, electric hookup, put it back in your RV, and then drive your big RV through town to go sightseeing. Or if you have a fifth wheel, you disconnect your pickup truck, you leave your fifth wheel where it sets, and then you use your pickup truck as your mode of transportation to do sightseeing and things like that. You as an individual have to decide which works best for you. So once again, thanks for tuning into my wife's channel, and we'll be seeing you again with an adventure in some more RVs. Welcome back to Angel Grace's channel. I'm her husband, Jim. Just want to share a few things with you about RV, some food for thought things. You know, you'll be seeing some videos, or you may already have watched some of our RV videos where we toured a coach and a fifth wheel and then a smaller class motorhome. You know, if there's anything else out there that you'd like to see, you know, leave Grace, Angel Grace, a comment. Tell her if there's a type of motorhome you'd like to see. We can go tour it for you, and we can put that on her website so that you can compare so many different RVs. We can do pop-up tents. We can do, you know, just a regular pole behind, whatever you have, whatever your heart desires. So, and then we can also list some of the pros and cons of each one of those, but I'm sure most of you are educated enough that you can figure some of that stuff out. So, thanks for subscribing to my wife's channel, and we look forward to seeing you again. Happy RVing! Bye!